Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to connect CarPlay. To connect CarPlay, let's go to Phone, Device List and search. On your iPhone, enter Bluetooth settings and select your iPhone. Confirm and confirm on the smartphone. Confirm. Connect on the smartphone. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.